Hello, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing a guitar with some blue flames. As always, the colors are opaque black and white, and transparent candy colors for the rest. So for the first step I'm using the first stencil and applying some gray. So I'm using the white with 50% opacity. And after this I'm using the second stencil with full white. And now I'm covering the whole picture, and I'm doing the flames. So first I'm laying down some white. So this is now the negative form of the fire. So because they are blue flames, I'm using now blue for covering this whole white background. So this was some cyan. Now I'm using some ultramarine for the gaps in the flames. If it needs to be darker, you can also use black for this. So this the background color of the blue flames. So now there are two more steps where I apply white and then the blue again. So this is now the middle tone, which is the blue without the ultramarine. And some blue again. And now I'm using the black to make the parts in the flames a little bit darker, so they pop out a little bit more. And the final stage is the white highlights. Well, there you have your flames. put some little dots in there that they look like sparks. This works with low pressure and by bending the air hose. And I've just put some light blue on. Now I'm doing some white around the guitar. And I'm now painting some, not everything, but some highlights in the last white stencil. And there you have it. If you like my style, you can subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.